Hi guys, if you really want to improve your IELTS speaking band score, then you must have to generate separate cue card idea for each and every cue card. And if you don't have the separate ideas, don't worry, watch this video till the end. You will find the separate and easy idea for the cue card. And before that, if you're new to my channel, please like it and subscribe it and share it with among your friends. If you haven't watched my previous videos on vocab that you can use in every module, you can watch them by clicking the link in the description box, or you can watch them by clicking the I button at right up corner of the screen.
First cue card is a goal you want to achieve in your future. What the goal is, what would you do to achieve it, when will you achieve it, and explain why you want to achieve it. Second cue card is describe an ambition that you have had for a long time. What the goal is, what would you do to achieve it, when will you achieve it, explain why you want to achieve it. Third cue card is talk about a prize you want to win, what prize it is, how do you know about it, what will you do to win it, why do you want to win it. So here is one cue card idea that you can use in 3 different cue cards. Well, I have won many prizes in my life so far. Some of them I have won during my schooling and others during my college days. Still, I guess there are few that I haven't won yet but would like to win in my near future. However, here I am going to describe about one such prize that I would like to win in future, and that is of best swimmer. Actually, a swimming competition is organized every year in my city in the mid of June. It is organized by Oswald Securities Limited. A couple of years ago, one of my friends participated in that event and he got third prize. So he stimulated me to join it last year. But as I was not dexterous or adroit enough at that time, so I didn't get any position. And for that, my friends started mocking at me or making fun of me. For a while, I took it lightly like they were just kidding. However, when they continued to do so, even for 3 to 4 days, then I took it to my ego and decided to shut their mouth. And since then I have joined Dolphin Swimming Club, one of the reputed swimming clubs of our city of Shahpur. It is located on outskirts of my city. Actually, there are a couple of sections in the club. One is meant for professional learning and other is for recreational purpose only. As I aimed to excel in the competition, so I joined the former section, where they're also providing some simulation classes to give easy tips required for swimming. I guess I have been taking classes and doing diligent practice for 6 months. All I needed to do was to provide fee only. The rest of all other things they provided me, like swim costume, goggles, earplugs, mask, swim cap and so on. During my training I honed up my swimming skills a lot. Honed up means improve karna. Currently, I am able to complete 100-meter freestyle swimming just within 30 seconds, and that is pretty close to the previous year's winning record. Hopefully, I would fully become habitual of breaking that record by the time of competition so that I can win the best swimmer title. So this is the prize that I want to win down the track. Down the track means in future. Thanks for watching. Here are other 2 videos, you can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos, and share these all videos among your friends.